Filling, capping, labeling. Welcome to our automated powder filling and packaging line, perfect for factories with limited space. Plastic bottles first enter the Auger filler for precise powder dosing. Each bottle is lifted to the filling position, receives the preset powder amount, and then moves on to the next stage. The system automatically detects bottles with incorrect labels and diverts them from the main conveyor. Rejected bottles are pushed onto a side platform, ensuring normal bottles continue production smoothly. The capping unit places each cap accurately onto the bottles. Caps are then tightened automatically to ensure a secure seal. The reject unit detects crooked caps and removes the defective bottles from the line. All qualified bottles are pushed onto the labeling machine conveyor for precise and consistent labeling. A small gate regulates the flow of bottles onto the labeling machine, ensuring accurate labeling. The entire filling and packaging process is complete. The final bottles show evenly filled powder inside.